Last week we shot these modified Japanese yen coins using the blunt body concept. Several viewers asked us to try it with washers, steel washers, to see if we could have similar results. But will it supersonic? Normally a flat washer has pretty terrible aerodynamics, terrible ballistics. Here, drop through water, you can see that the washer kind of is flying flat, but it's just shifting back and forth. With the modified Japanese yen coins, we had surprisingly good aerodynamics at supersonic speeds. Now, we'll give it the same treatment to this washer. We just have a giant hole in the center now, and it's a lot heavier. The yen coins were 1 gram, and these are 2.4 grams each. In each shell, we'll stack 5 of these, giving us a total of around ½ an ounce. So the difference between these and the aluminum yen coins is we got the giant hole, but they're also much heavier, and we only have 5 instead of 8. In all the shells, we've loaded them pretty hot with 25 grains of tightwad powder. So make your guesses. Will these things supersonic, or will they just be a complete disaster?
All right, TAOFLEDER folks, here we are again, Danny and Jeff. Due to popular suggestion, we did the yen coins, and people said dome the washers, dome some washers,
or drill holes through them.
Drill holes through them.
Yeah. So this is quite a few suggestions, and it's like, man, that's a good idea, folks, and we'll give that a try.
Okay. Anyway, Jeff made some. All right, we're going to be shooting these through Little Tony today.
Not through rifling. I don't think steel washers and rifling go together very well.
No, these are bore size. I wouldn't want to do that.
And the thing is, it's a lot harder to stabilize a projectile without spin stabilization. And if you can stabilize a projectile without spin, you're miles ahead. Okay, we're at 12 yards. Add a piece of just drywall with a dot on it, so you know where he's shooting at. Okay, I'm ready when you are. That was dead on. Almost dead on. He hit the sticker. That's pretty good.
Well, as you can see, we had one very accurate hole. The washers and the FS12 gas seal all flew together in one formation. This was shot at 12 yards, and if you're unfamiliar with yards, a yard is about 0.91 meters.
Okay, we're now at 20 yards. And if you remember, the yen coins broke apart around 15 yards, being so light and all. So let's see what they do at 20 yards. We'll try to get a chronograph reading. I'm not sure how well that's going to work, but we'll give it a try. Okay, I'm ready whenever you are. $16.66.
Alright, coming into frame, they're all together, then they start spreading apart. They're not as stable as the yen slugs, I'll give you that. The spread wasn't terrible, but it could be a lot better. I think this solid dome shape is just a lot more stable.
A little different results that time.
Yeah. Point aim was here. This one was a previous shot. Okay. Not sure, but there might have been another one in here. This looks like a double hole. We'll have to see that on the slow-mo. But we got one here, here, and here. They broke up, but they stabilized. You can tell they're nice and round. Little pinky hole. And one of them up here went in sideways.
Okay.
But for the most part, they're hitting pretty flat. We found one here that hit our holder upper. See where it hit right there.
Oh yeah, didn't hurt it.
This one skipped underneath there, went off into the wild blue yonder, or green. Seems to have held its shape.
Yeah, they're pretty tough little suckers there.
And this one bounced back, so it was the one that hit here and hit this angularity in behind it.
Okay. So we definitely know we're beyond their effective range at 20 yards. So
12 was good, 20's too much. Somewhere in the middle would probably be good.
What'd you call that thing? An assault?
Cupazine.
A cupazine with a high capacity, high caliber straw. Let's see what these things will do at 12 yards. I'm ready.
Alrighty, here we go. Center mass. There we go. Dome-shaped lid came down like the yen coin.
Good observation.
It was. There we go.
Okay, we're back at 12 yards here. Not as good results as we were hoping. There's one loose washer flying along, and it's flying along pretty well. But the other are kind of clustered, and looks like they're stuck to the gas seal on that shot. Still, a hit's a hit, and there was a lot of energy there.
Okay, last one. See what they do to a big old chunk of wood. Okay, I'm ready.
And once again, we had early separation on this shot. The washers, they're not spreading apart violently, but they're not real stable. They're rocking back and forth, but just not as stable as those, yen coins. So we didn't make any improvements to the blunt body concept shape at all, really.
Well, I still wouldn't want to get hit by it, but point aim was here. We got one went sideways here, one went sideways here. And we're not sure on that one. We'll have to check that on the slow-mo.
Yeah.
But yeah, they're
not as stable as the full domed, like the yen coins. And definitely came apart much sooner this time.
Well, squished it a little bit.
Yeah. Well, there you go. You wanted to see it, so there you go.
It's hot.
Don't burn yourself, Rigo.
It's the bonus round, brought to you by Matt. Thanks, Matt.
The bonus round, Ammo Zone triple decker, not to be confused with an upper decker, folks. That's a different that's a different matter. So we got looks like 9 double-aught buck in there, stacked 3 on 3 there. Not sure how that's better than a normal normal way it's stacked, but little separators. We'll see how they perform at 12 yards. Ladies and gentlemen, I present you the triple decker. That sounds good, huh? Okay, I'm ready. Woo! Woo!
All right, traveling at 1,080 feet per second, as they used to say in the 1950s. We had a pretty good group in there. 1,080 feet per second isn't bad for that heavy of a load. And most of those big old triple-aught buck pellets hit the target. Not too bad, not too bad.
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
I saw a trace.
I saw a puff of smoke.
Yeah.
They flew better than I thought they would.
Yeah, me too.
And I just wanted to share with you something we're experimenting on. We're not ready to film these things yet. We just wanted to take some test shots, see what would happen. And a viewer in a nearby town made these 3D printed slugs, filled them with that sugar candy rocket fuel, whatever it's called, sugar and potassium nitrate, whatever it is. So there's still some more experimentation to do on those, but it's looking promising. And of course, this video was made possible through the help of our generous Patreon supporters. These are just the latest ones. If I listen them all, you know, you'd be here all day. So anyway, thanks all you guys. You definitely make a difference. Just $1. When you have a big group of dedicated fans like that, it just blows my mind that people are that generous. You know, just even $1, you know. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.